Today I'm going to read to you a book about one of my favorite animals. Let's see if you can guess what this animal is. This animal is a type of bird. This animal has webbed feet to help it swim. This animal's name begins with the sound D, and its name ends with the sound K. Did you guess a duck? The title of today's book is Ducks. This is an informational book in which we will learn facts about real ducks. This is a duck. This kind of duck is called a mallard. We see lots of mallards in Massachusetts, especially this time of year. This is a duck too. It's called a mandarin duck. There are many kinds of ducks. This duck is called a blue-winged teal. Why do you think this duck is called a blue-winged teal? What do you notice? I notice its blue wings. I think that this duck is called a blue-winged teal because it has blue feathers. All ducks are alike in many ways. All ducks have beaks. This duck has a beak, and this duck is the same because it also has a beak. They use their beaks to get food. Ducks have webbed feet. They use their webbed feet to swim. They use their feet to waddle too. Waddling means to walk side to side. Pause the video, stand up, and waddle like a duck. Ducks have feathers and wings. Feathers keep them warm and dry. Wings help them fly. So these are the feathers, and they keep them warm. How do you stay warm? They have feathers on their wings. They have feathers on their tails. These are their wings. How many wings do they have? 1, 2. Their wings help them fly. Do you ever wish you had wings so that you could fly? All ducks live near water. I wonder why their habitat is near water. I'm wondering if they live near water because of the food that they like to eat. On page 9, we see a picture of a duck eating a fish. Some ducks live by a pond. Here's the pond, surrounded by grass. Some ducks live in a marsh. Next to Beachmont, there is a marsh. I wonder if ducks are living in the marsh. I noticed that marshes have lots of grass and plants and water. Other ducks live by the ocean. The name of these ducks are called surf scooters. I wonder if they are called surf scooters because it looks like they're surfing on the waves. Some ducks fly to new places when it gets cold outside. They come back when it is warm. So in the winter, they fly away, and then in the springtime, they come back. Then they start a new family. And this is why in the springtime, in May in Massachusetts, if you go to a park that has a river or you go near a marsh, you might be lucky and you might see baby ducklings. How do the duckling feathers look different than the adult feathers? To me, they look shorter, fluffier, and they have yellow. And this is a map which shows how ducks migrate. Migrate means to move from one place to another. So mallards, which are the ducks that live around Boston and Revere on the map, in the winter time when it's cold, they fly down here to Florida, and then by springtime, they fly back and have their baby ducklings. For a special activity, take a piece of paper and draw a duck. Then you can label it so that you remember the different parts of a duck. Feet, beak, wing. Once you've drawn your picture, take a picture and send it to your teacher. You may also want to add the habitat in which ducks live in. We learned from the book that ducks live by water. I'm going to add some water to my picture.